Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about the integral. We have the integral of x squared over the square root of 2 minus x squared dx. So now I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So we will about x equals to the square root of number 2 sine t dx equal to the square root of number 2 cosine t dt. We put this one in here and here. So you got about 2 sine t squared. This is about 2 sine t squared. dx, we change for this one. Next, we put the square root of number 2 outside. Square root number 2, square root number 2, we cancel. Next, we have 1 minus sine t squared equal to cosine t squared. So we put this one in here. The square root of cosine t squared, you got about cosine t. Cosine t simplify with cosine t. Now you just have only 2 sine t squared. Next, we have sine t squared equal to 1 minus cosine 2t over 2. So we put this one in here. 2, they cancel. Now we can get the final answer. The integral of number 1, you got about t. The integral of cosine 2t, you got about negative 1 over 2 sine 2t plus c. About t, we need to change back for s. So we use this equation in here. And now we can get the final answer. T equal to r sine of s divided to the square root of number 2. So we put this one in here and here. That's it, the end. Thank you for watching.